Hi guys, this is another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today I had another product sent to me by a vendor who wanted me to do a paid review. So this is a paid review and a paid product that was sent to me by Quinn Hong Company, and they wanted me to do a paid review and an unboxing of this product. And it is soap dispenser bottles, premium quality. So you could put essential oil spray in these, dish soap, hand lotion, hand sanitizer, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, air freshener, all-purpose cleaner, or sanitizing spray. And it is a decorative set of 3. So let's open it up and see what we got. I have not opened this box yet, so it is a surprise to me also. So we have some instructions on how to open the pump. So this is all about having a matching set in your bathroom instead of having random hand sanitizer and a random soap and a random lotion. You can have a matching set all the way across your bathroom. So the first thing I come upon here is, oh, this is pretty cool. They have matching, so you can peel these off and put, whether it's sanitizing spray, or wow, it's in different lotion. It's in different languages too. Essential oil spray, all-purpose cleaner. So I mean, there's labels you can put on the bottles themselves, which is kind of cool. I like that. A funnel to fill it with. That is pretty thoughtful. I like that. So, and here we go. So all 3 bottles are a matching set, I'm guessing. These are pretty slick, really. By the time you get 3 of these by your sink in the bathroom, and I'm gonna pick one of these because I know I will put hand soap in one, and you very carefully put a label on one. That's a pretty classy looking bottle, and you have one. You could have one for lotion by your sink, and you could have one for hand sanitizer. They look like a pretty classy little set. I kind of like them. What is really cool, though, is I think it's very cool that they set it up with a funnel so it's refillable. So you can buy those ginormous things at your favorite big box store. I will not mention any names, but certainly I will mention Amazon. You can certainly buy the big jugs of lotion or hand sanitizer or hand soap at Amazon and dump them in here and have a nice matching set of lotion, hand sanitizer, and hand soap at your sink. I think that's pretty cool. I give it a thumbs up.